MARPOL Annex 5 is all about preventing pollution from garbage on ships. It sets strict rules on how different types of waste should be managed at sea to protect marine life and marine environment. So what are the requirements for ships under MARPOL Annex 5? Let's break them down. First is Garbage Management Plan. Every ship of 100 gross tonnage and above, or certified to carry 15 or more people, must have an approved garbage management plan on board. This plan explains how waste should be collected, stored, processed, and disposed of safely. It's a crucial document that needs to be readily available for inspection by port authorities. Keeping accurate records is essential to prove compliance. Next is Garbage Record Book. For ships of 100 gross tonnage and above, or certified to carry 15 or more people, a garbage record book is required. Every discharge, incineration, or disposal of garbage must be recorded properly. The book must include the date, time, position of the ship, description of the garbage, and the estimated amount incinerated or discharged. Garbage placards. Ship of more than 12 meters in length must display garbage placards in visible areas to inform crews and passengers about waste disposal regulation. MARPOL Annex 5 generally prohibits the discharge of all garbage into the sea, except as provided otherwise in Regulation 4, 5, and 6 of the Annex, which are related to food waste, cargo residues, cleaning agents and additives, and animal carcasses. Discharge restriction. Annex 5 prohibits dumping plastic waste anywhere in the ocean. Other waste types like food and paper have strict disposal regulation depending on the ship's distance from the shore. The non-harmful to marine environment, like food waste. Food waste, the discharge is permitted only when the ship is en route and at least 3 nautical miles away from the nearest land. Cargo residues. The discharge is permitted only when the ship is en route and at least 12 nautical miles away from the nearest land. Cleaning agents and additives. Cleaning agents and additives contains in cargo hold wash water and deck and external surface wash water may be discharged into the sea, but only if they are not harmful to the marine environment. This discharge is permitted only when the ship is en route and at least 12 nautical miles from the nearest land. All other garbage, including plastic, synthetic ropes, fishing gears, plastic garbage bags, incinerator ashes, clinkers, cooking oil, floating dunnage, lining and packaging materials, paper, rugs, glasses, metals, bottles, crockery, and similar refuse are strictly prohibited to discharge in the ocean. Special areas. Special areas which discharge of garbage is restricted in 6 special designated by MARPOL: the Mediterranean Sea, Baltic Sea, and the North Sea, the Gulf area, the wider Caribbean, including the Gulfs of Mexico and the Antarctic area. These areas required more stricter control due to the greater sensitivity to pollution. Port reception facilities is where ship can properly dispose of garbage without polluting the sea. These facilities are intended to collect garbage generated by ships, including residues and oily mixtures. So remember, responsible waste management at sea is everyone's responsibility.
Bye.